Han Zhi Hao here. We'll be looking at Lesson 7, Marriage and Relationship Case Studies. Mr. Douglas has taught us additional techniques to read the Tiemann chart. And the first technique he taught us is the sector extension method. For this, Mr. Douglas said that if the existing palace is unable to give sufficient data or unable to explain a normality, we can use another palace that's of the same element to get more data to understand the cause of the abnormal happening. So one case study involves this chart we are looking here, where I didn't put the parts of the woman there, but we are looking at, let's look at sector 4. Sector 4 is marriage chart. Sector 4 is marriage data, and Mary has a zinc stem inside. So we can see that Mary has an obstacle with other Liu He and Tianren being the good stars. So Mr. Douglas said that there's something wrong with the obstruction door. Why is the obstruction door in Palace 4? So he said that Palace 4 and Palace 3 is both of the same wood element. So we can look at Palace 3 to look at why is it so. So we can see that for Palace 3 there is Sangmen there. Sangmen means gambling, and Tianpeng means so-called unlawful activities there. So from here we can see that this lady, she is a gambler and she's hiding this from the man. So this produces the obstruction door. So this is the technique Mr. Douglas is teaching us. For the second technique, he teaches us a sector growth method. Sector growth scanning method. So for this, let's look at another case study where the husband is occupying the sector 2 because he has a Wu stem there. It belongs to the Wu stem. So sector 2 is a earth element. It is produced by sector 9. Because when we use the same element sector, sector 2 and sector 8, sector 8 is an empty palace. So empty palace produces no results. So there's no third party involved for the thing symbol. We look at sector 9 instead, because sector 9 is fire. Fire produces earth. So for sector 9, we see that there's a Xuan Wu and there is a Tianpeng. So Tianpeng represents that there's a loss of money, big money, and Xuan Wu also represents loss of money. So the loss of money is creating issues for the husband. So that's why Judy, the wife, suspects that something's wrong with the marriage because the husband is not behaving normally. To know more, contact me at zhihao81@yahoo.com. Thank you.